Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with cryptocurrencies anytime, no matter if Bitcoin is going up or Ethereum is going down. So let's get started, guys. Again, these are just my advice. These are not professional advice. So these advice may involve risk. So you definitely want to take this just an advice. If you think this is going to make money for you, do not invest your hard-earned money in cryptocurrencies. So here we go. You can see these are the well-known cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, ADA, Ripple, and then we have Dogecoin. Here we go. So basically these are the well-known cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately these cryptocurrencies are basically have been losing their values for last a month or so, but people just want to invest in these cryptocurrencies, right? However, if you want to make money with cryptocurrencies, you can make money any day, right? Because there are thousands of cryptocurrencies that you can invest in. So how to invest in cryptocurrencies to make money over kind of overnight? I'm not talking about lots of money. I just want to make sure that you make at least few dollars, few bucks, depending on how much you invest in it. So basically what we are going to do, we are not going to go after the well-known cryptocurrencies to make money. We want to go ahead and make sure that we invest in the cryptocurrency that are gaining at the moment, gaining their values at the moment, and also have gained the most over last 24 hours. Okay, so you can see these are the cryptocurrencies, the largest cryptocurrencies by market capital. If you want to get the smallest market capital cryptocurrencies, you can just click on it and you will get it. So these are the smallest cryptocurrencies that you see here, and unfortunately these are losing. So what we need to do, we need to go ahead and find the cryptocurrencies that are basically gaining. So click on this 24-hour change, and these are the currencies that have lost the most over 24 hours. So you do not want to invest in these cryptocurrencies to make quickly money. Okay, so go ahead and click one more time over here and you will get all the cryptocurrencies that have gained the most over 24 hours. Now the next step, so you've found the cryptocurrencies that have gained the most over last 24 hours. Now you want to just sort out the cryptocurrencies among from this page uh, of same value, almost same value. So what I mean, I would go ahead and invest in this one or this one, this one also. So I should also go with this one. So you can see this one, almost same price value. So I'll find at least 5 cryptocurrencies of the same, almost same values, okay, and that are also gaining at the moment. So this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's see if we have this one. No, this one. So I'm just going with 2 zeros, okay. This one, this one. This is also fine. This not this one. All the 2 zeros and 3 zeros, okay. I'm going to invest in those cryptocurrencies that are gaining and of the similar price value, and I'll go ahead and invest in these cryptocurrencies at least 100 or 200, 500, whatever my capacity is. I'm not going to invest my hard earned money that is which is going to be for my survival. Okay, so I'm going to only invest the extra money, and this way what I will do, I'll keep investing every week, every 15 days, every month, on kind of interval but regularly. So this is how you start investing. But what do you need to do? You keep watching like every hour or so, like 2 hour, 3 hour, every other hour. And when you see that you've gained almost like something, you should go ahead and sell them. So as long as you're making money, any cryptocurrencies which is going to kind of you're losing, you simply go ahead and sell it. Simply sell it, sell it, sell it. All right. So this way you can make some money. So go ahead and always invest in the cryptocurrencies or anything that is gaining at the moment, and simply sell cryptocurrencies that start declining. Always invest in cryptocurrencies that are of the same price value if you're investing in multiple. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. Bye for now.